Returning to our top focus on pollution, now the top Green Court has finally taken some tough measures to clean up the Ganga.
That's right. My colleague Ketki Angre now reports on how there will be hefty fines imposed on those who pollute the river and its surrounding areas.
A complete ban on plastic on this 140-kilometer stretch from Gomukh, where the Ganga originates, to Haridwar in Uttarakhand, starting from the 1st of February. This is one of the many steps the National Green Tribunal is putting in place to clean the mighty Ganga. In addition, hotels, dormitories, guest houses will have to set up their own sewage treatment plants and cannot dump waste into the river. Those violating this rule will be fined 5,000 rupees per day. That fine will be 20,000 rupees for hospitals for each violation.
There are lots of STP sewage treatment plants which were not functional. So they have asked to make those sewage treatment plant functional, and also as per the requirement as of now, and also assuming that how is the future requirement to set up the certain numbers of sewage treatment plants in all these areas.
Industries that do not get pollution clearances from the State Pollution Control Board will have to shut down, including 4 seriously polluting industries located in Sitarganj, which have already defaulted on their clearances. For now, no beach camps will be allowed on this stretch of the Ganga, which is a popular rafting destination.
Rafting is not banned. The beach camping sites are banned. Basically, those rafting camps will not be operated now, will not be allowed.
Whether it's the Supreme Court or the National Green Tribunal, courts are putting in place timelines to tackle Ganga pollution as well as the air pollution in Delhi, something that will hopefully supplement the decisions being taken at both the central and state governments that will in the future make a visible difference. In New Delhi with camera person Raju Punia, Ketki Angre for NDTV.